Jim DePalma's Guide to LDAP, Digital Authentication Systems. Modern-day technology has helped human beings in more ways than one, making work much more efficient, productive, and less time-consuming. This is especially true for businesses that have to deal with a lot of customers and data. In order to make work easier and more efficient, businesses have developed authentication systems that allow employees to quickly verify the identity of customers and grant them access to the required data. Jim DePalma points out that one such authentication system is LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LDAP is a popular method used by organizations to manage user accounts and passwords. It stores details such as username, password, email address, etc., in a systematic database that can be easily accessed by authorized personnel. This guide will provide you with a complete overview of LDAP and how it works. LDAP, explained by Jim DePalma. LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, is a popular protocol used for authenticating users in a network. It is based on the X.500 standard and uses a simple set of operations to access and modify information in a directory service. According to Jim DePalma, this system is typically used to store details such as username, password, email address, etc., in a centralized database that can be easily accessed by authorized personnel. This allows organizations to easily manage their user accounts and passwords. How does LDAP work? LDAP works by authenticating users against an LDAP server. The LDAP server contains a database of all the users in the network. When a user tries to log into the system, the LDAP server will search its database for the user's credentials, username and password. If the credentials are found and match the ones in the database, the user will be granted access to the system. What are the benefits of LDAP? Jim DePalma emphasizes that the benefits of using LDAP for authenticating users in a network are endless. Some of the most notable benefits are: it is a very popular protocol that is widely used by organizations. It is based on the X.500 standard and is thus very reliable. It uses a simple set of operations which makes it easy to use. It stores information in a centralized database that can be easily accessed by authorized personnel. It allows organizations to easily manage their user accounts and passwords. How to get started with LDAP? Jim DePalma explains that if you want to get started with LDAP, the first thing you need to do is install an LDAP server. Once the server is up and running, you can start adding users to the database. You can either add users manually or use a script to automate the process. Once the users are added, you can start configuring the LDAP server to suit your needs. The configuration will vary depending on your requirements, but there are some common settings that you will need to configure, such as the base DN, bind password, etc. After the LDAP server is properly configured, you can start testing it by trying to log into the system with a few test accounts. Once you have verified that everything is working as expected, you can go ahead and start using LDAP in your production environment. Bottom line: Jim DePalma believes that LDAP is an authentication protocol that can be used to easily manage a network's passwords and user accounts. It is based on the X.500 standard, uses simple operations, and is relatively easy to configure. Thanks for watching.